I'm waking up to ash and dust. I wipe my brow and I sweat my rust. I'm breathing in the chemicals. I'm breaking in, I'm shaking up and checking out on the prison bus. This is it, the apocalypse. Whoa, I'm waking up. I'm feeling